Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Spotter Studio, a platform designed specifically for YouTube creators looking to unlock their full potential. Whether you're brainstorming new ideas, researching trends, or managing your content creation workflow, Spotter Studio promises to be the ultimate creative partner. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about Spotter Studio, what it is, its standout features, pricing, the pros and cons, and ultimately whether it deserves the title of the best platform for content monetization. If you are a creator, you already know how time-consuming it can be to generate fresh ideas, analyze trends, and manage the many moving pieces of content production. Spotter Studio addresses these challenges head-on. Spotter Studio is an AI-powered creative suite specifically tailored for YouTube creators. It acts as your personal assistant, helping you refine your content strategy, generate ideas, and even plan projects collaboratively, all within one platform. Launched in 2024, it's quickly gained traction among creators of all sizes. What sets it apart is its data-driven approach, which taps into performance metrics and audience insights from over 50 million videos. And here's the kicker. Spotter Studio isn't just for the pros. Whether you're a budding YouTuber just starting or an established creator managing a large audience, the platform has tools that adapt to your level of expertise and goals. To give you an idea of its credibility, Spotter Studio is already trusted by big names in the industry, including Dude Perfect and Colin and Samir. These creators credit it for streamlining their workflows and helping them stay ahead of trends. A ringing endorsement, if you ask me. Now let us talk about the main features of Spotter Studio. Let's dive into the features that make Spotter Studio so impressive. The brainstorming partner. At the heart of Spotter Studio is its AI-powered brainstorming tool. This feature isn't just about spitting out random ideas, it's tailored to your creative voice and niche. By analyzing your past content, audience demographics, and trending topics, the brainstorming partner suggests ideas that are not only unique but also aligned with what your viewers want to see. Imagine being able to bypass creative blocks with AI-generated concepts that are backed by real data. Whether you're exploring new topics or trying to put a fresh spin on old ideas, this tool can be a lifesaver. Research Copilot. Data is king in the world of YouTube, and Spotter Studio delivers it in spades. The Research Copilot lets you explore emerging trends and high-performing content in your niche. It scans data from millions of videos to identify what's resonating with audiences right now. But it doesn't stop there. This feature goes deeper, showing you how specific topics, keywords, or formats are performing. You can even customize your search to focus on a particular audience segment. It's like having your own personal analytics team. Project planning made simple. Spotter Studio also shines when it comes to organization. Its all-in-one project planner helps you map out every aspect of your content creation process. From brainstorming to publishing, you can assign tasks, track deadlines, and even collaborate with your team in real time. This isn't just about keeping things neat and tidy. It's about ensuring your projects are executed smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a solo creator juggling multiple responsibilities or part of a team, this feature keeps everyone on the same page. Now let us talk about the pricing. Spotter Studio offers a free trial for new users, which gives you access to all features for 30 days. This is a great opportunity to test drive the platform and see if it fits your workflow. After the trial, there are two subscription options, a monthly plan of $49 per month and an annual plan of $299 per year, which works out to just under $25 a month, and that is great for long-term savings. Given the extensive suite of tools and the time-saving potential of this platform, the pricing feels justified, especially for creators who want to take their content game to the next level. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of Spotter Studio. First, the pros. It is designed specifically for YouTube creators. It understands the platform and its challenges like no other tool. Comprehensive suite of tools. From brainstorming to project management, everything is integrated, eliminating the need for multiple subscriptions. AI-driven insights. You can get actionable data that helps you make smarter decisions about your content. Team collaboration. It is perfect for creators working in teams with built-in tools to manage roles and responsibilities. How about the cons? Sparta Studio is limited to certain countries. If you're outside the supported regions, which includes the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and all European Union countries, some features may not be available. It is not ideal for creators who are focused solely on YouTube Shorts. While it excels in long-form content planning, the tools aren't yet optimized for short-only creators. It's worth noting that Sparta Studio is actively evolving, so these limitations may change over time. So here's the big question. Is Sparta Studio the best platform for content monetization? Well, here's my verdict. For creators who are serious about scaling their YouTube channels, Sparta Studio offers an unparalleled suite of tools. Its AI-driven insights, ease of use, and focus on collaboration make it a standout option in the crowded landscape of content creation tools. That said, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If your focus is heavily on shorts or if you're in a region with limited access, you might find some of its offerings less relevant. Ultimately though, Sparta Studio excels in its niche. It's not just a tool, it's a creative partner that empowers you to work smarter, not harder. If you are a creator looking to take your channel to the next level, it's absolutely worth a try. There's an outstanding feature on Sparta Studio, which is to refer a friend and get rewarded. When you refer a friend to Sparta Studio with your unique link, you both get $100 in credits, giving you up to $500 in rewards. Isn't that amazing? Well, if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Miro, Kajabi, and Patreon. That's it for today's review on Sparta Studio. I hope this deep dive gave you a clear picture of what the platform can do and whether this tool is the right tool for you. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.